Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your background look magical on CapCut PC. So I have this video of a girl dancing. I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm just going to go to cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. Make sure your free layer is enabled. If not, just select this gray area, go to modify, and make sure free layer is enabled, and just press save when you've done that. Then you are just going to go to effects and you're going to add in the effects that you want, but you're going to add it behind the person, but on top of the background, as you can see here. You can add a lot. You can add blur, you can add even this one to the background, but not the person. But yeah, that's kind of it really. It's super simple, but it does create like a nice backdrop, like the confetti. For instance, you don't want it to be like on top of her, like the object, so I added it behind, as well as fireworks, like so it looks like it's behind her as well. Maybe I'm just going to adjust the opacity a little bit, but yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!